What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the AST doorknob lockout. All right, so if you've been in like a big factories and stuff like that, you know about like lockout, tag out type of stuff. So with that being said, this is something like a lockout, tag out, but it's for your doorknob. Now, the cool thing about this is more than just childproof. This is everyone's proof. You are keeping everyone out of the room that you don't want everyone to be in. So maybe you have some secret type of room out there, you know, those rooms that you don't want nobody to go in. Things this tool will work on, it says it works on a gas cylinder, spigot, faucet, smart doorknob lock, and a mechanical doorknob lock. Please be aware that the knob lockout device only fits for round knobs / hand wheels of smart doorknob locks and basically everything I was saying right here. So there you go. You can pause it, read it for yourselves, or just glance. It gives you a little quick description. Now, I don't know if you could read this one too well, so while I'm editing, I will probably just take a photo of it, post it for y'all so y'all can see everything. I believe this side is giving you the size of this thing. This is a nice size. I didn't really picture it being this big. Opens right up. Oh yeah, nobody's coming in that door. No one is coming through your door, the forbidden door. I think the most important thing about this is don't forget your combination. If you forget your combination, you're kind of screwed unless you got, what you call them things? Shoot, what is that thing called when you cut the locks? I forgot what it was called. I have 2 of them. I just don't be remembering names no more, especially if you don't use it every day. All right, so they do give you a nice lock. So it's set on 00000. All right, that's what we did right here for the 90 degrees. So we put it on the right side. All right, push the shackle down until the tiny pin is all the way inside the code. All right, so we're gonna push it down until this pin right here. There's a, all right, little pin right here. It says push it down until the pin is in. So do we push it down or do we hold it down? I'm just gonna hold it. All right, it says push the shackle down. Keep the shackle pushed down and rotate the shackle 90 degrees right. Is that righty? Yeah, right. All right, so the pin is down and it's stuck like this right now. So let's see. You can scroll the numbers to set your own code. Be sure that the numbers is well aligned with the scale line. Rotate back of shackle the pin code gap until it pops up. Your new password is now valid. I just did it real quick. I put it on 9090 while it was in that position. And let me move it to 8090. Oh, it worked. Now let me move it back to 9090. Oh, that is so awesome. We did it. I didn't think it would work. So if I go back to 000, will that default it? Nope. 000 is not set no more. So for this is 9090. And if I want to reset it, I will have to do that reset again. So you will have to push down and go right. Twist. And now nobody can open your door. Unlock, and then you can let anybody into your gaming room. All right, you guys, so right now we have our doorknob, and this is how this works. You put it on your doorknob, you close it. Now this is a little bit more open than this doorknob, but it's still good because nobody can open it. All right, we have our lock, we lock it up, and that's it. Now nobody can come in no door of yours. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.